next sum, that is your third sum. Over here you have only two numbers, 18 and 32. So सबसे पहले आपको कौन सा टेबल लेना है? 2. अगर एक नंबर भी डिवाइड होता है ना बेटा, अगर सिंगल नंबर भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, like in the first sum 12 was getting divided by 2, so I took. Again 6 was getting divided by 2, I took, because divide होना जरूरी है बस. तो अब आप देखो यूनिट प्लेस पे 8 है and unit place पे 2 है, so both the numbers will get divided by 2. Very good. So let me take 2. 2 9s are 18. In 2's table you will not get 3. Then take the nearest number. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1s are 2 will give you 1. So make it 1 over here, and the number is 12. 2 6 are 12. Now the new question is 9, 16. Think 9 and 16 में से कौन 2 से डिवाइड होने वाला है? 16. So we will take 2. सर 2 के टेबल में 9 तो नहीं आता है. अगर the number is not appearing in the 2's table, so we have to copy it. Very good. Copy down 9. In 2's table, when do you get 16? That is 8s are. So we will write here 8. Again, the new question is 9, 8. Think 9 or 8 में से which number will get divided by 2? 8. Correct? So again select the number 2. Sir 2 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आएगा. अरे सिंपल, copy. So 2 in 2's table you will not get 9, so copy it down. In 2's table when do you get 8 beta? 4s are. Again we will divide by 2. 9 copied. 2 2s are. Again we will divide by 2. 9 copied. 2 1s. Thank God. At least हमारा 32 तो फैक्टराइज हो गया. अब we will concentrate on 9 and think 9 2 के टेबल में आएगा क्या? सर कैसा बात कर रहे हो? अगर आता तो इतनी बात थोड़ी ना कॉपी करते. Change the table. तो कौन सा लेंगे? 3. So let me take 3. 3s are 9. Again we will take 3 1s are 3. आप क्या देख रहे हो क्लास? 18 के कॉलम में भी 1 आ गया है, फैक्टराइजेशन गॉट कंप्लीट. 32 के कॉलम में भी 1 आ गया है, फैक्टराइजेशन गॉट कंप्लीट. नाउ LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2. I'm sorry. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. Correct? Now multiply two numbers at a time. 2 2s are 4. Multiply sign brought down. 2 2s are 4. Multiply sign brought down. 2 3s are 6. Multiply 3 brought down. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 8 नहीं होता है हाँ. 16. Multiply 6 3s are 18. Now in the rough column, as you know, you have to draw rough column. Multiply these two numbers. 16 multiply by 18. 6 8s are 48. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12. 1 6s are 6. 1 1s are 1. So the correct answer is 288. So the correct answer is 288. It means 288 is the smallest number, the first number which is common in 18 as well as in 32's table. 288 के पहले बेटा ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है that will be common. Is this thing clear? Now let us move to the fourth sum. In the fourth sum, again they have given three numbers like your sum number 2. But घबराने की कोई बात ही नहीं है. अगर divide होगा, so we will divide. और अगर नहीं होगा, so we will copy the number. So now we begin. 10, 15, 20, and we begin. First, we will take 2. Why? Because in 2's table you will get 10 and in 2's table you will get 20. है ना? और मैंने आपको क्या समझाया, अगर एक नंबर भी डिवाइड होता है ना बेटा, तो आप वो टेबल ले लो ताकि वो डिवाइड हो जाए, रिड्यूस हो जाए. So we begin. In 2's table do you get 10? Yes. 5. In 2's table do you get 15? No. So क्या करने का? Copy. So copy down. And in 2's table do you get 20? Yes. 10. अब आपका नया क्वेश्चन क्या है बेटा? 5, 15, 10. 5, 15 और 10 इन तीनों में से which number will get divided by 2? 10. Correct? So select, इसको उठा लो आप, ले लो. So divide by 2. In 2's table 5 will not come. Copy down. In 2's table 15 will not come. Copy down. In 2's table 10 will come. 5. Correct? Now bachcha, the new question is 5, 15, 5. अब आप 2 का टेबल नहीं ले सकते because all the three numbers will not get divided. So अब 3 के पास जाओ. Yes, 3 के पास जाएंगे तो अपना बेनिफिट है. Why? Because in 3's table you will get 15. So let me divide by 3. In 3's table 5 will not come. Copy. In 3's table 15, that is 3 5s are 15. In 3's table 5 will not come. Copy. अब बच्चा आप क्या देख सकते हो बोर्ड पर? 5, 5, 5. और 5 क्या है बेटा? एक प्राइम नंबर है. So there is no other option apart from taking 5. So that is 1s, 1s. Luckily सारे डिवीजन या फैक्टराइजेशन एक साथ कंप्लीट हो गए. All are having 1, 1, 1. Thus the answer to the LCM will be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4 multiply 3 5s are 15 and 4 15s are 60. Hence 60 is that number which will be the first and the smallest number that will be common in 10, 15 and 20's table. Before 60 कोई भी नंबर नहीं है बेटा that will be common in the 3 table. Thus by these four sum the concept of LCM is clear and that is अगर एक नंबर भी डिवाइड होता है ना बेटा so divide it and अगर कोई नंबर टेबल में नहीं आता है तो we should copy the number. Clear? In the upcoming videos we will be solving many more sums. Till then stay tuned with the channel. Thank you.